very far from technology until 2 years ago. The one whose phone was mostly off because of battery issues, but it never mattered to her. People who knew me understood that even if I didn't contact them for a long time, I still loved them, and they accepted me like this. In my opinion, technology was making us blind. It was taking the beauty of life from us. A cage for humankind. People who could go for fresh air, see and be in the nature, now they prefer to sit on their sofa and look at such scenes through their mobile phones. I think it created a big gap between what we think we need and what we need for real. Some kind of illusory empty space in between. And I continued as an unhappy person about this issue. Until 2 years ago, when we decided to immigrate, and of course, we had to do something as a job. So I decided to work as an NFT artist. Well, perfect. That's exactly where I should be. A bunch of avatars in a 100% technological world. And it was like a welcome to the hell for me. A person who was far from technology now decided to dive into it herself. I should say that the first month was quite difficult for me. I had to learn about this new space, which was very fast-paced and also harsh sometimes. I felt so tired and hopeless those days, but I've learned how to move with it by the time. I can't say it's entirely easy for me now. Of course, I still feel frustrated and anxious sometimes, but I made it. I met many amazing people there who became my best friends. I sold many of my artworks there. Met some amazing collectors who really adore art. They filled my heart with love and motivated me to create a bigger vision. I learned the way. I accepted the reality of technology and its growth process unconsciously. I even became a part of it. And I should say I did it so great. look at myself, how far I have came, I'm like, no way. It's not the girl I used to know. In my opinion, one of the beautiful characteristics of being human is that we accept the situation and adapt ourselves to it so we can survive. And sometimes it opens new doors to us, new sides of view. Time passes and I see how most parts of our lives connected to technology. How quickly we're drowning in the machine world. I see it, but it doesn't make me as sad as I've been before, because I accepted it. It's humankind's path, maybe. We insist that we'll reach our end as soon as possible with the explosion of technology, maybe. So sad, but it's what it is. Anyway, what I want from myself is just to keep that balance between the modern life and my soul's rural needs. To just keep this connection with nature and to find and see the happiness in here, right where I am.